Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
For the last 1 year, because of the pandemic, people have suffered a lot. And today we have organized all this smart is because each one's product, homemade product, is sold here. And it is to benefit the Kurtorkars and especially people from all from Goa would love to come here, and especially Kurtori is one place which is basically a love. Everybody likes Kurtori. So this is organized today at different products, right from nursery. We have got eateries, we have got stuff like biryanis and a lot of snacks and carpentry and so on.
आम्ही एक स्टॉल घाला हिंगा जेन्ना आमच्या गांवांत कितें पळय पिकता सगळें आमच्या गांवांत सगळ्या आमकां फकत दोरी ना आनी आयस ना सगळें कितें पळय पिकता कितें कोत्ताय सगळें फूड आयटम जावं सगळें हिंगा आयज डिस्प्ले केला.
आमचो कुटोरीचो गांव शेतांनी आनी भाटांनी रिगलोलो आनी हिंगा जायते भाशेन लोक रावता आनी ह्या पेंडेमिकाक भरपूर लोकांक त्रास जाले, काम ना, धंदो ना. So as part of Trusters and as president of the Trusters Trust, आमी आनी आमच्या वांगड्यांनी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन चिंतलें की आमच्या लोकांक एक सवलती दिवपाक आपलो जो वेव्हार हिंगा डिस्प्ले करूंक आनी सेल करपाक.
They took the initiative to start the Mand, and it's been very beautiful with the response that we just see early in the morning. As for me, I cannot complain. The moment I touched, most of it was sold out. I had a lot of torrents, pomelos. They were sold out within no time. I have no complaints. I'm very happy.
प्रोजेक्टाच्या अंडर प्रोजेक्टाचे नाव आसा गोवन. त्याच्या अंडर आमी कन्जर्वेशन ऑफ बायोडायवर्सिटी थ्रू लायव्हलीहूड मॅनेजमेंट असो आमचो प्रोजेक्ट आसा. त्याच्या अंडर आमी हे सगळे प्रोडक्ट प्रोसेस करतात आणि सेल करतात सो दॅट जे इकोलॉजिकल प्रोडक्ट आसा तांकां थोडे व्हॅल्यू एडिशन मेळटलें आनी लायव्हलीहूड स्ट्रेंथन जातलें.